I am Rizwan.
Hi Rizwan, nice to meet you. My name is Lena. What are you doing? Are you a student too?
Yes, of course, Lena. I am management professional in here. How about you?
What's that great? Meet you Rizwan, I think me can be amazing. Classmate grateful can know you.
Me too, Lena. Sorry, Lena. I think I must go now. My friends waiting for me at the outside. See you again, Lena. Bye-bye.
Thanks Rizwan, sorry to take your time. We'll go to buy Rizwan. See you again.